This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to make GNC protein shake step by step. Measure 2 scoops of GNC protein powder into your blender, then pour 8 to 12 ounces of cold milk or water. Add a banana or a handful of berries for extra flavor and nutrients. Secure the lid and pulse briefly to combine, then blend on high for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth and creamy. Begin by adding your liquid first, then soft add-ins like banana or yogurt to the blender to promote even mixing. Sprinkle in 2 scoops of GNC protein powder, then add a few ice cubes or frozen fruit if you want a thicker, colder shake. Blend on high for 20 to 30 seconds, check consistency, and pulse a few extra times if necessary for a velvety texture that drinks well through a straw. Quick recommendation before we continue: if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping that saves time after messy shake sessions. It's a handy kitchen partner for busy routines, and it even handles spilled oats. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust the serving size and liquid to match your calorie and protein targets and to suit post-workout or meal replacement needs. Consider pairing your protein shake with a piece of fruit or whole grain toast for a fuller meal and sustained energy. If you make extra, pour it into a sealed container and refrigerate, then shake or stir well before drinking to recombine any separation and maintain the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.